Currently, the temperature is 56 degrees with foggy conditions. Your extended forecast. Here's our local Doppler radar.
Since Jim signed up for Lowe's personalized lawn care plan, I've been up on my hind legs trying to get a better view of his grass. It's so beautiful. Oh, cramp, cramp. My tiny unicorn legs can't take it.
Now get 20% off Pennington Smart Seed at Lowe's.
Brought to you by Lowe's.
4x4 ballet.